Okay, hey, how you doing? This time I'm on the Insta360 X4, my 360 camera, and you will see that I'm just at the area of the East Nanjing Road Pedestrian area. So you can see across the road from me there, there's a ton of people who are going to be crossing the road coming over this way, and they're probably heading over to the Bund, and there's a ton of people over there heading that way. In fact, that's probably where I should be, because it looks like I'll be crossing against the main crowd if I do it that way, which I don't necessarily want to do. I'm shooting in 5.7K this time. I shot in 8K on the Bund at 30 with ISO 400 and with shutter sensor auto. But this time I'm gonna shoot in 5.7K and I'm gonna reframe this video. Oh, this is very interesting. You've got soldiers kind of marshalling the crossing, so it must be that they have a bit of problem with people jaywalking over here. But this is maintaining some fairly serious control over how people use the crossing. Quite a difference to some of the videos you may have seen of me in Tokyo with the scrambled crossing there and how that's managed. This is very, very different indeed. So yeah, let's get across the road. I wouldn't exactly call it a speedy crossing. And the East Nanjing Road. Now there is a lot of stuff going on over here. There's a lot of the kind of like flagship stores. You can see the banners over here. You can see the Apple store, you can see Muji, you can see Samsung, you can see Gap. You see all kinds of things going on over here, and this is busy. As I said before, although you may have tuned out, this is a national holiday here in China, and there's a lot of people out and about. And someone was telling me, the couple who I sat next to at lunch, well, this is a 3-day holiday, and I think they kind of spread it out over a couple of weekends. And he said, the guy who was talking to me said that it's an attempt to get the Chinese to travel around the country, so they've got enough time to make the trip, get to the place where they want to go to, and do some tourist stuff and spend some money whilst we're there. So yeah, trying to stimulate the local economy through spreading some of that spending around the country. So yeah, it's an interesting time for the Chinese economy at the moment. It's probably not doing as well as they would like it to be doing. But oh look, there's a Uniqlo. I'm going to have to go in there. But yeah, this is just a bit of a taste as to how busy it is here. And I will probably stop that there for the day, because I'm probably going to have to go and get something to eat. And then it's 7 o'clock now. I don't want to be out too long because I've got to be up at around about 5:30, 6 a.m. And I've got to pack tonight before I get back. Before I sort out my routine for tomorrow morning. I need to be at the airport for 8 a.m, which means I probably need to get up and out the hotel by 6 a.m, because it takes about an hour and a half to get to the airport, and I want to leave a bit of time just in case. Because I've got an 11 a.m. international flight and it's 3 hours check-in, as you know. Alright, I'll leave that here for now, and I will check in back with you again at the hotel before I leave it for the